everyone, I'm attorney Ezgi Bayraktar from the Kubilay legal team. Today we are going to dive deep into a crucial topic, the challenges and solutions faced by foreign nationals residing and working in Turkey under the law and foreigner and international protection. This is really essential stuff, so stick around. Now, the legal side. Any action taken regarding this article must be officially notified the foreigner who is being turned back. Crucially, this notification must explicitly detail how the foreigner can effectively exercise their right to object to the decisions, including the specific court they can file a case with, the legal remedy they should use, and the time limit for doing so. Everything has to be crystal clear. Until these procedures are finalized, foreign nationals are kept waiting in the design area at the border gates. If a foreigner is deported from Turkey, the Director General of Migration Management or the governorship will impose an entry ban on them. The maximum duration for this ban is typically 5 years. However, if the person poses a serious threat to public order, public security, it can extend this period by up to an additional 10 years. That's a long time. It's not always the guaranteed 5-year ban. For instance, foreigner whose visa or residence permit has expired but who applied the governorship to exit Turkey before authorities catch them, and they pay their administrative fines, may not receive an entry ban as long as they haven't exceeded their allowed period of violation by too much. Similarly, those who are invited to leave Turkey and do so within the given time frame and also avoid an entry ban. There are specific humanitarian cases where deportation is strictly not allowed. These individuals are protected. Those facing a serious risk of the death penalty, torture, or inhumanity, degrading punishment or treatment in the country they will be reported to. Thus deemed risky to travel due to serious health issues, age, or pregnancy. Those undergoing ongoing treatment for life-threatening illnesses for which treatment is unavailable in the country of deportation. Victims of human trafficking who are currently benefiting from the victim support process. Victims of psychological, physical, or sexual violence until their treatment is completed. If a foreigner is caught illegally entering, overstaying their residence permit, or has had their extension request rejected, the police must immediately notify the governorship. The governorship then makes a decision on whether a deportation order should be issued. This full assessment and decision period cannot exceed 48 hours. Once the deportation order is issued, the police team that made the operation has 48 hours the person to removal center. The good news is that there are no legal obstacles to foreign national at it exercising legal service. The person can contact a lawyer directly or their relatives using their right to phone call. Crucially, they can even issue a power of attorney to their lawyer through a notary while they are held at GGM. Foreigners placed under administrative detention at removal centers for the purpose of deportation have a specific legal remedy. They or their lawyer have 7 days from the date they are notified of decision to file a lawsuit with the administrative court for the annulment of the deportation decision. If they file the lawsuit and notify the DGGM, the case of size filed cannot be deported until the court case is finalized, but they will remain under administrative detention at the GGM during this time. This initial administrative detention period cannot exceed 6 months. Thought it can be extended for a maximum of another 6 months under specific condition. Conclusions so that you have it a breakdown of the critical legal framework for foreigners in Turkey. Navigating this law can be tricky, but knowing your rights and the procedures is your best defense. I hope this information was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.